Hello everyone, today we are going to learn rectification of error. It means mistake have to be rectified. Mm, First step, write the correct journal entry. It means what you will do for the given transaction. Step 2, write a wrong journal entry. Step 3, choose the correct entry and come and see the correct entry. Debit separately, credit separately. Point number 2, which account is left out without cancellation should be reversed. We will see the example. Example 1, paid 5000 for the stationery account but accounted paid for the rent. First correct entry, paid 5000 for the stationery expense account to cash account. Wrong entry, rent account debit to cash account. Step 3, we have to see the first whether stationery account debited or not. In wrong enter, not debited means we have to debit it. We have to cancel the cash because this is rectification on stationery, not cash. We have to cancel the cash. We have to debit the stationery. Next, whichever account is left out without cancellation, here rent account not cancelled, we have to reverse it. The third step is rent account to stationery account debit to rent account. Example 2, paid 50,000 for repairs accounted as a paid for the printer. First step, write the correct entry. Repair account to bank account. Second step, wrong entry. Printing account data to bank account. We have to cancel bank and bank. Step 3. First we have to see the whether repair account debited or not in second. No, we are not. We have to debit it. Bank cancel. We learnt in step 3, whichever account is left out without cancellation should be reversed. Here printing account not cancelled, we have to reverse it. Rectification of error is repair account debit to printer account.